Something Wonderful. Something Wonderful, written by Matt Ritter and illustrated by Nyla Gonzalez. Read for you by Mycelium, the forest elf. Welcome to the rainforest. This is a place that hums with life. All the world's living things depend on healthy forests. They are homes to so many amazing plants and animals, all depending on each other. Let's open this book and dive into the strange, interwoven life cycles of fig trees, the wasps that live inside them, and the beautiful creatures that eat them. Everything is connected. Something wonderful is about to happen. An understanding of the natural world and what's in it is a source of not only great curiosity, but great fulfillment. Sir David Attenborough. This book is dedicated to the naturalist and broadcaster Sir David Attenborough, whose documentaries have opened the eyes of millions to the world's wonderful natural history. Few people have done more to create a new generation of conservation biologists. He has all taught us so much. In a hot and humid tropical forest, on a day like any other, a golden seed fell from the sky. It was a fig seed, and it landed high in the canopy of a giant tropical tree. Something wonderful was about to happen. The seed settled onto a branch, and it did what seeds do. It germinated. A tiny fig tree broke free from the seed coat and grew a slender white root and 2 shiny green leaves. The small leaves grew into larger leaves, each stretching towards the sun. The little fig's roots grew slowly. They crawled downward along the trunk of the giant tropical tree. Eventually, the roots reached the forest floor. They sucked water from the soil, sending it to the leaves. The fig began to grow quickly. The years passed, and the fig's roots became thick and strong. The powerful roots wove around the tree's trunk. Although the giant tree was strong and had lived for many years, it wasn't strong enough. The fig's roots were like steel cables strangling the old tree. The giant couldn't grow any wider and soon began to die. Many years later, after the giant tree had died and rotted away, all that remained was a column of empty space inside the tangled web of fig roots. Years passed and the fig grew stronger and larger. It had taken the place of the giant tree in the forest. Finally, the time had come for the fig to do what trees do when they grow big. Make more trees. The fig tree made thousands of flowers, hidden deep inside green globes. Then it waited, but not for long. Something wonderful was about to happen. A tiny mother wasp, flying through the forest, could smell the fig's hidden flowers. She came a long way through the forest and knew exactly what to do. She found the best fig and pushed her way inside a small hole, just her size. Inside the fig, she moved around quickly, laying her eggs and dusting the fig flowers with pollen she brought with her from the fig where she was born. After her eggs were laid and all the flowers were pollinated, she rested. She spent the rest of her life inside the green fig, where baby wasps and new fig seeds were forming. Her eggs soon began to crack open. When the baby wasps hatched, they did what young wasps do. They ate fig seeds, and lots of them. Young wasps ate the nutritious seeds and grew strong. Females collected pollen from the fig flowers. Male wasps chewed escape holes in the side of the fig. Then the females unfolded their delicate wings and began their long journey through the forest. Like their mother had done before them, each wasp flew off on a dangerous journey, carrying pollen from the fig and hoping to catch the scent of newly formed fig flowers where each could lay her eggs. Meanwhile, the green fig left behind became a ripe yellow fig. All the seeds that weren't eaten turned golden while the fig ripened around them. The figs were ready, and they didn't wait long. Something wonderful was about to happen. A chestnut-mandibled toucan flew through the forest and saw thousands of ripe figs on the tree. Ripe figs are a chestnut-mandibled toucan's favorite food. She ate as many figs as she could and then ate some more until she couldn't fit another in her beak. When she was full, she began her long flight back to her nest. On her way back, she did what toucans do. She pooped. One of the golden seeds from her poop landed on a branch high in the canopy of a giant tropical tree. The seed settled on the branch and did what seeds do. It germinated. Something wonderful was about to happen. There are over 800 species of fig trees in the world, most living in tropical rainforests. They are all of the same genus, Ficus. One of these species, the edible fig, Ficus carcara, is widely grown for its delicious fruit. Each fig species is pollinated by its own specialized type of wasp that evolved long ago with the tree. Humans have had a long relationship with figs, which have been a source of shade, food, medicine, building materials, and wonder. I hope you've enjoyed Something Wonderful, written by Matt Ritter, illustrated by Nyla Gonzalez, and read to you by Mycelium, the forest elf. Something wonderful is about to happen.